Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great hatchback in our collection. A pre-owned 2013 Mazda MAZDA3. This Mazda is powered by front-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 165,272 miles. Rev up your driving experience with this sleek 2013 Mazda MAZDA3. Enjoy a perfect blend of efficiency and style, packed with features. Don't miss out on this reliable ride. Contact us today for a test drive and special offers. This pre-owned Mazda 3 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Mazda 3 is equipped with Bluetooth navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.